Welcome to MacroEdTech online educational services. We are running revision series for GATE 2025 Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. In today's short video, we will see basic statistics for data science. Initially, you should remember some basic formulas, basic relations among mean, median, mode, and how to solve questions based on normal distribution. So let's start. Before starting our discussion, let's see one question from previous year paper, GATE 2024 Data Science section. Let the minimum, maximum, mean and standard deviation values for the attribute income of data scientist. So what is 46,000 is minimum, maximum 1,70,000 and mean is 96,000 and 21,000 is standard deviation. If you study normal distribution, you should know basic relationship z equal to x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So in this question, we have to find the z score, normalized income value. So here x is 1,06,000. Now we'll put this value. Mean is 96,000 and standard deviation is 21,000. So after solving, we will get 0.476. I solved this question to show you what type of question generally come from statistics part. Let's start our discussion. So in general, statistics has two parts. One is descriptive and another is inferential. Descriptive statistics summarizes data, while inferential statistics analyzes data to make prediction and conclusions. Summarizes the characteristics of data set, such as by using measure of central tendency and variability. Descriptive statistics are often used to organize, analyze, and present data in meaningful way. They are not based on probability theory. So please remember, descriptive statistics is not based on probability theory and often non-parametric. Sometimes one marks question may be asked in a statement form. Descriptive statistics is non-parametric. On the other side, inferential statistics analyzes data to make predictions and conclusions about a larger population. Inferential statistics is based on the assumption that the data is a sample from a larger population. It uses statistical inference to infer properties of population, such as by testing hypotheses and deriving estimates. Now, what is measures of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a descriptive statistic that describes the average or typical values of set of scores. There are three common measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. So what do you understand by mean? Mean is the arithmetic average. and generally represented by mu. In calculation of normal distribution type questions, so you have to remember mu is mean. For sake of basic understanding, you can see here, calculate the mean of following data. You have 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. So first of all, we have to sum the scores. So total is 15 and total number is 5. So we will divide by 5. So mean is 3. Now the median. What is median? It is a score in the middle. Half of the scores are larger than the median and half of the scores are smaller than the median. It is not affected by extreme values. Extreme values, also known as outliers. For better understanding, please download any brochure of private B school, especially the placement records, and write down in comment the difference between mean and median. This is your task. Now third one is mode. Mode is a score that occurs most frequently in set of data. And this example you can see here, most repeated is 9. So mode is 9. And in this side, there is no mode because no repetition. Now very important, relationship between mean, median and mode. For normal distribution, please remember this point. Mean, median and mode all are equal in case of normal distribution. As we know that normal distribution is bell-shaped curve, and here mean, median and mode all are equal. Now what is positively skewed and negatively skewed? In positive skewed, the mean is greater. Mean is greater than median is a positively skewed, and in negative skewed, mean is smaller than median. And one more important relation, please remember, mode equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. I just want to write again. Mode is 3 times median minus 2 times mean. One more important point related to normal distribution, 68, 95, 99.7 rule. No matter what mu means mean and sigma is standard deviation, the area between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma is about 68%. The area between mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma is about 95%. And the area between mu minus 3 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma is about 99.7%. Almost all values fall within 3 standard deviation. Now at the end we will see the formula asked in previous year GATE question, the standard normal distribution Z. So all the normal distribution can be converted into standard normal curve by subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates.